If you started today or a month ago and are still confused about how you're going to make money, let me help you. Here are some apps and methods that can help you in making money on your journey. Let's get started. First of all, if you're an Instagram creator, YouTube creator, or create content on any other platform, you need to understand one thing. Simply posting content won't make you money. Post content that people actually want to watch. Choose your niche wisely. The first app is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin pays you $1 for every person you invite. How it works. First, invite 20 people to the app. Once you do that, you can qualify for their influencer mode, where you may earn around $1 to $2 per referral. Calculation: 100 people per week, times 4 weeks equals $2,800 per month. Next app is Stacks. Stacks pays different amounts for every referral depending on the person's country or tier. How it works: apply for their program, and if accepted, usually within 2 to 3 hours, choose the app you want to promote. You'll earn based on the country tier of the people who sign up. Next, we have another opportunity to make money, but it's not an app. It's called clipping. If your content's success to reach audiences from tier 1 countries, you can edit and post clips for creators and earn money from the views. $1 to $2 for every 1,000 views. Calculation: assuming a $2 RPM, 200K views per week equals $400, and $400 times 4 weeks equals $1,600 per month. And that's just the lower estimate. Thanks for watching.